Before we start this video, check out TAF782's channel, and also go check out EXL Hicktown's channel. Yeah. Okay, you're probably tired of me talking. So, just enjoy. Alright, so here's my power change that I got today in the mail. The Pacific Railways diesel. It's, I forgot what I was gonna say. 3 hours later. Oh yeah! I forgot again. Okay, it's really detailed. As you can see, unlike Powertrains 1.0, this guardrail here is actually separated from the engine. Come on, focus. Okay, it's not focusing. Well, see, you can obviously see that. It has way more detail, so I think 1.0 is better than 2.0. Okay, now it's focusing on something I don't even want it to focus on. But this is way better than 1.0 because of the detail and stuff, and the speed. I'll show you for a second. It's way faster than 1.0, which is like so dumb. This is engine number 4 from the engine pack. And I have no track because I thought this was able to fit on 1.0 because I have a 1.0 train. At my mom's house. Yeah, I guess that's it for this diesel train. Now here's all the cars. It's obviously gondola. So this is a GP rail. Let me just read it. 68643. Yeah, it's so blurry. Sorry about that. This is probably the smallest car out of them all. Got this from the freight set. Something I didn't even realize. That's the freight train. And these are the freight cars. I didn't even know that. So, because on Amazon, where I ordered this, it didn't show the, what it was. Or as in the freight set, it didn't show what that one was. So, that was actually very surprising when I watched a review on YouTube. So, here's this one, Ocean Park. Yeah. And focus. Here's a parked car. Again, these are way better, more detailed. This one at 2.0 has doors on both sides that open. Hey, what's in there? Nothing? Okay, enough messing around. These flat cars are my favorite because you can actually remove the cars, these things. Why don't I call them a car? And then stack them on top and they stay. But honestly, like, it says, I don't even know, NBD. NBD? Anybody know what NBD means? Okay, this one says, Ocean Lines. Yeah. I made a mess. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and whatever people do on YouTube. Like when they're watching it. Whatever. I don't even know what to do anymore.